In this video, we will learn about UI Object Info API in LWC. This will help us to fetch the value set of any picklist field in LWC. As you already know, we will be using these categories picklist field to filter all these tweets, and in order to render these values of this category field, we need to fetch all the values of the picklist from Salesforce. So for that, we will use this Lightning UI Object Info API. It will help us to get object metadata and the picklist values. Inside this, there are around four methods which will help us. So we will be using the get object info and get picklist values for our development. So let's learn about these two in detail. So I will open get object info. Use this wire adapter to get metadata about a specific object. So if we want to fetch the metadata of a specific object, then we can use get object info API. The response includes metadata describing the object fields, child relationships, record type, and theme. So this API will help us to find the metadata of an object, the fields, relationships, or record types. And we will be using this field to find out the default record type of the category field. And after finding out the record type of the category field, we will be using this get picklist values wire adapter to get the picklist values for a specific field, because in this get picklist values wire adapter, we will be passing the record type ID in order to fetch the value set. So let's go back to this get object info API. So how can we use it? First of all, we have to import this adapter into our JavaScript code. So you have to write import then get object info from this library. After that, you have to import the object for which you want to find the information. So here the example is given for account object. And after that, you can use this @wire decorator, which will help us to store the result into a property or a function. Again, after finding out this information, we will go to this get picklist values wire adapter to find the picklist values for a specific field. Again, here also we have to import this get picklist values wire adapter from lightning/UI info object info API. Then we also have to import that specific field. So for importing the field, we need to give the name of the field along with the object. Here we will give the API name, and then we will call this get picklist values wire adapter, and it will give us the information into a property or a function. So let's write the code in the next video to fetch the information of a picklist field, which is category in our case. Thank you very much.